Class, our today's new topic is simple machine. This is your chapter number 4, and in this chapter we will discuss about some basic machines and how they work also. So in this chapter your first topic is work and energy. This is an important topic because without work and energy we are not able to understand the working of simple machines. So first we will discuss about work. What is work? Class, if I am talking about the definition of work, the definition of work is said to be done if the force applied on the body moves it. If no motion or change in position takes place, no work is said to be done. So what do you understand by this? For that you have to understand the basic formula for work first. Work means, class, the formula for work is equal to force into distance moved by the body. This is your work. So class, what do you understand by work? First understand this. Work is equal to force into distance moved by the body. So it means if you have any object and if you apply force and it change its position, then you can say yes, there is a work. I told you this earlier. So class, if you apply force and body moves, then you can say there is a work. But if you apply force and body doesn't move at all, then we can say there is no work. So for that I take the example of this pen. This is your body, and if I apply force, then it covers some distance. So this distance moved by the body, by applying the force, then definitely there is a work. The another example is wall. Class, if you apply force on the wall, it is not moving at all. There is no change in the distance. So there is a force, of course, but there is no distance. So if there is no distance, then definitely there is no work. So it means if you apply force on the wall, there is no distance moved by the wall. Wall is stationary, so it is not moving at all. So if it is not moving, then it means your D is equal to 0. Then your work is equal to F into D, and your force is maybe force, and your D is 0. Then class, you all know the multiplication of 2 digit. If one digit is 0, then your answer should be 0. It means your work is 0. So if your body is not moving, then at that time your work is 0, and work is 0 means there is no work. Class, our next topic is energy. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. So here you can see energy is directly linked with work. It means whatever work you have done, it is just because of the energy. Understand? So you all know W is equal to F into D. So if I am talking about energy, so there is no formula for energy, but as you know that energy is directly linked with the work. So with the help of work you can find the energy. Let's see how. If I am talking about the SI unit of force, that is Newton, and SI unit of distance, obviously its length, so it's meter. So can I write 1 Newton and 1 meter? There is no change. So the answer is 1 Newton meter. And in other form we can say it's joule. Joule is also the unit of work and energy. Joule is the unit of work and energy. What do you understand by this? Energy and work are interlinked, and whenever you are doing any kind of work, you can see energy is definitely there. When you are running, you are doing work because you are moving, and if you are moving, then definitely you are doing work. You make a force and you change your distance. So in running, after some time, running is a work. So when you are doing work, so in starting you have a energy to do work very fast. You are running very fast, but gradually you will become slow and slower, just because class your energy is decreasing. So when you are running, in a start you are so fast, but gradually your speed will slow down, and slowly you will stop. So class, why you stop? Just because you doesn't have a specific energy to run now, or we can say you don't have that kind of energy by which you can do this work. It means by doing this work your energy is decreasing. So it's very simple example to understand work and energy are interlinked.